Many people believe that investing in cryptocurrency requires a large amount of capital, but the truth is, even a small, strategic investment can grow over time if managed correctly. The key is understanding how to identify opportunities, manage risk, and make informed decisions. In this video, we'll break down a smart approach to navigating the crypto market with limited funds. This is about education, strategy, and risk awareness. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding higher risk opportunities. When starting with a small amount, it's important to research emerging sectors. Some of the most successful projects today started at lower valuations before gaining adoption. However, not all assets perform the same way, so it's crucial to evaluate projects carefully. Here's what to look for. Technology and AMP. Utility. What real-world problem does it solve? Market trends. Is there growing interest in the sector? Development team and AMP. Adoption. Is there consistent progress and engagement? Diversification and thorough research are essential in managing exposure to higher risk assets. Now, what happens when an asset experiences growth? Step 2. Strategically managing gains. If a digital asset increases in value, it's important to have a plan. Rather than focusing on short-term movements, experienced investors often take a structured approach. Setting clear targets, establish points where gains are secured. Rebalancing portfolios, shifting funds toward assets with long-term potential. Avoiding emotional decisions, sticking to a well-thought-out plan. By applying these principles, one can navigate market cycles with a strategic mindset. The next step involves sustainability, ensuring long-term participation in the digital asset space. Step 3. Building a long-term plan. Once an initial portfolio grows, the focus often shifts to stability and sustainability. This might include exploring established assets. Many investors allocate a portion to assets with longer market histories. Considering passive income strategies, some choose to explore yield generation options where available. Staying updated on market trends, learning continuously to make informed decisions. This approach helps in balancing growth potential with risk awareness. Final thoughts. Navigating the crypto space responsibly. The digital asset market is constantly evolving. While opportunities exist, it's important to approach investing with education, patience, and a risk-managed strategy. A well-thought-out plan, combined with continuous learning, can help in making more informed financial decisions. Subscribe for more insights into market trends, blockchain developments, and investment strategies.